Hi, my name is Christina with DomesticFelicity.com, and today we're going to talk about making your home safer for a new baby. New babies don't move around very much, so you don't have to be in too much of a hurry. However, there are some basics that it's really good to make sure that you have ready for when your new baby comes. A few things that will make it easier when bringing home your new baby are having a crib. A safe place for them to sleep is really important. That might be a bassinet beside your bed. It might be a crib. But having a safe place to lay them down for nap times and at bedtime are really essential. Another important thing is to remember to not wrap your baby in big fluffy blankets. One of the leading causes of infant death is suffocation, and that can happen just by having a cuddly blanket too close to their face. They can catch it on their hand, pull it over their face in just a second, and the consequences can be terrible. So it's really important to remember to put your baby to sleep in a safe way. There are some great ways to do this. There are ready-made swaddle sets. You can learn to swaddle on your own, or you can use a nice warm sleep sack that you can put them in after they have their PJs on. These are great. They keep them safe and warm. You can also start getting prepared for when they're mobile by installing drawer locks and outlet plugs. Thanks so much for watching. My name is Christina, and today we talked about how to make your home safer for a new baby.